what I'm saying?
I'm a soldier. I'm just a little more the warpath, not your average killer. I'm a soldier. West side outlaw, bad boy killer. I'm a soldier. I'm just a little more the warpath, not your average killer. I'm a soldier. Bad boy killer. Running from coppers, ducking high from helicopters. We open fire, who can stop us? Living the life I try, juveniles, hoping for writers. Getting 25 to life if the judge don't like us. In my clearest pictures, I see authority itching to get us. ATF, state fed, scandalous bitches. I was promised to, was it bitter or sweet? See, if a nigga don't hustle, then the nigga don't eat. On these streets, living do or die, circle complete. Repetitive motions of felon in the rush for cheese. Please understand my history of enemy hats to the thug life. Coming equipped with plenty gas. Maybe I was just a lost soul trapped in time. Living in between life, in the cracks for blind. Even though we have hopes for dreams that never came, yet still we all feel pain. I'm a soldier. I'm just a little more the warpath, not your average killer. I'm a soldier. West side outlaw, bad boy killer. I'm a soldier. I'm just a little more the warpath, not your average killer. I'm a soldier. Bad boy killer.
My brother Sean, first on my list, he stuck with it 3 to 5. When he get out without me dead or alive, he told me the rules somewhat, but still it does, I trust. But in danger never hesitate to bust to keep my fucking trap shut. My mom too got a little bit of thug in her. The devil loves sinners, crackheads and drug dealers. Sometimes I feel like the street be taking over, never staying sober, still praying over and over.
I was born 22 years ago yesterday, but see I saw no reason for me to celebrate. Let me demonstrate, enter the world from out of poisonous wound. Having when being consumed, already predicting my doom. Soon to be one of the many misguided, always the first one on the block to be done. Try to end like it, lost before I had a chance to find my way. Now I travel through life, not knowing the time of day.
I'm just a little more the warpath, not your average killer. I'm a soldier. West side